Hi, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to stack coupons on Shein. Firstly, open Shein on your device. Then go to your cart in your bottom side of your screen. And then you need to choose the item you want to purchase and click checkout button. Then you need to scroll to the down and press apply voucher button. Here in the apply voucher field, you need to type your voucher, and after you're done, submit by clicking apply button. So that's it. I hope this video helps. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.